Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.
We've got a 2020 Infiniti Q50 3.0 turbo right there. Haha. What we got done on it for you guys? Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then it wires into a single and then wires back out. Basically like Infiniti's setup of an X-Pipe right there. Then what we did is a mid resonator delete right there. And then we also did a rear muffler delete right there and right there. And left his factory tips for now. He'll bring it back and we'll change the tips out later. There's the muffler, the huge muffler that was on it, and the resonators we already scrapped, so we'll let you guys see those later on. That's how you do it, guys. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. So it's fully straight pipe other than the cats. Infiniti Q50 2020. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Sounds so nice. I like it. Your sound decibels? Go ahead. 111. Again? Yep. Go ahead and back it out. You can hear the turbo. And he just bought it and right away brought it to us. He wanted noise. I don't blame him. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Straight back.
Then the homie.